Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to speed up the video on YouTube for Android. Sometimes you may want to watch a video on YouTube at a faster pace to save time or to quickly skim through the content. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to speed up a video on YouTube for Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to the video that you want to speed up. Step 3. Tap the video once to bring up the playback controls, then tap on More. Step 4. Tap on Playback Speed. Step 5. Select the speed at which you'd like the video to play. You can choose from 1.25x, 1.5x, 1.75x, or 2x speed. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can easily speed up a video on YouTube for Android. This will allow you to quickly skim through the content or save time while watching videos. It's important to note that increasing the playback speed may make the video harder to understand, especially if the content is complex or if the speaker is speaking quickly. In conclusion, speeding up a video on YouTube for Android is a quick and easy way to save time or skim through the content. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.